Okay, welcome everybody. Today we've got Super Trooper. I'm pretty sure he was a mail-in guy, and my camera's not going to like all the chrome on his armor, I don't think. But the flak jacket looks like it's removable, but I don't think it is. It's definitely an extra layer on top of a standard Joe character. But because I can tell because his arms don't go all the way down. But let's say I vaguely remember this, and this was like sort of like last week with the Battle Force 2000. This was at the very tail end of my G.I. Joe collecting. Let's say it's a mail order thing, so I'd saved up my flag points, and he came with a shield, a helmet, and a submachine gun. Helmet fits very awkwardly. Either it doesn't go all the way on his head, or it swivels off. So it's sort of, it doesn't really, not a good fitting helmet. but it is chrome, so you can't really complain too much about it. Submachine gun. It seems like I recognize this design of the machine gun, but I don't know from which character. It looks very familiar though, in a different color scheme. And his shield in place, so when he got all decked out, he, I guess, could charge the battlefield, and they could only shoot his ankles. But let's see, and let's say that's one of those things that I'm pretty sure the reason I've still got all his equipment is that, like I said, he was at the very tail end of my G.I. Joe collection, so he got stored with his equipment intact. It looks like, I don't know if it's going to show on camera, but it appears the helmet has effectively rubbed his ears off, especially on this side. There's no ear detail left. This one's a little better, still got at least the outline of an ear. Huh. I had never noticed that on any of the other characters. Standard swivel arm battle grip. He's good. Another one of those, the O-ring still seems to be intact, so I'm not going to worry about replacing that on this one. I'm really getting down to the very last of my Joes. I think I've got only maybe one or two left loose, and then I've got a few more of the Battle Force guys like I talked about last week. But let's see, there he is. Oh, I can read his file card. I don't actually have the card, but I can pull it up. He was Lieutenant Paul Latimer, birthplace Dayton, Ohio, primary specialty infantry, secondary specialty public relations. Lieutenant Latimer graduated at the top of the first class to be processed through a new Army school that's so secret it doesn't have a name. Suffice to say, the object of the program is to produce highly motivated individuals with advanced technical skills for assault operations deep within enemy territory with virtually no support. Requirements consist of fluency in 3 languages from the potential adversary list, airborne qualification, and a recipient of the expert infantryman's badge. He went to West Point the hard way by enlisting in the Army straight out of high school. Then he took the test for admission to West Point Prep School, a grueling 10-week program with a 60% attrition rate and no guarantee of an appointment to the academy. At the end of it, I got that wrong. At attrition rate of 60% attrition rate and no guarantee of an appointment to the academy at the end of it. He could have been staff material. The Joint Chiefs had their eyes on him, so why did he sign up for a secret program with extremely low profile and little chance for personal advancement? Was it because he preferred an assignment where honor, integrity, and loyalty were considered assets instead of liabilities, or was he simply seeking adventure? Alright, that's a poorly read version of his file card, but there he is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be back on Wednesday with something else.